Here is what you need to know about the R Creator's door glitch and how players have been triggering in it. Plus a quick warning. The door glitch is a movement and timing exploit that lets players clip or slip through certain loot room or facility doors without fully opening them. To do it, players usually sprint or slide towards a door or at a specific angle, then interact with it at the exact moment another animation happens, like reloading, swapping weapons, or being lightly pushed by a teammate. When the timing lines up, the character model briefly desyncs and can phase through the door, or get stuck halfway inside, allowing access to the room. This works most often on the tight doors, frames, and during high latency moments, such as server load or quick animation cancels. Some players also trigger it by crouch spamming while opening the door or by letting an enemy hit them as soon as the door interaction starts. Now the important part. This glitch is inconsistent and frequently patched. Embark Studios actively fixes exploits, and using glitches can lead to temporary bans, especially in competitive or extraction modes. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.